Naga organizations in Senapati district have decided to lift the economic blockade imposed on Imphal to Dimapur National Highway No. 2 after reportedly reaching an agreement on certain demands. Mao MLA Losi Diko, Karong MLA J. Kumo Shah convened a meeting at Senapati Deputy Commissioner Chamber today along with representatives of NPO, SDSA, SDW in which an agreement was reached and subsequently leading to withdrawal of the blockade. The MLAs who were representing the government reportedly gave assurance to take actions against people who committed physical assault on Naga youths while also guaranteeing to compensate the victims. Government also reportedly gave assurance to take action against illegal taxation, extortion along national highways. On the other hand, Naga bodies also warned to continue with the economic blockade if government fails to fulfill its assurances.